We're taking your taste buds on a tasty adventure with a Southern favorite. Howard shows us how to make pan-seared catfish and grits in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
It's August, and that means many of us are ready to hit the road for one last hurrah before summer is over. And with August being National Catfish Month, there couldn't be a better time to celebrate this farm-to-table favorite. No matter where your travels take you, if you're lucky enough to find U.S. farm-raised catfish on the menu, give it a try. Whether it's fried, baked, or sautéed, I promise you won't be disappointed. And for those of us who are planning a family reunion, backyard get-together, or a staycation, why not whip up a traditional Southern-style fish fry for a welcome change of pace? Or do what I'm doing, pan-sear some farm-raised catfish until it's golden on the outside and buttery delicious on the inside, and serve it over some cheesy grits. One taste, and you're going to want to serve this Southern-inspired classic all year long. To get the recipe for our pan-seared catfish and grits, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where all this month we're celebrating a truly all-American way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Well, you can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website.